and welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Monlisa Rambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. Poverty, illiteracy and inequality in the world unfortunately continue to have a female face. The commemoration of International Women's Day aims to raise awareness of these issues and achieve true equality by highlighting the crucial role of women in society. This year, International Women's Day proposes to reflect on the impact of the digital gender gap on the growth of social and economic inequality. It also highlights the importance of protecting the rights of women and girls in digital spaces and addressing violence against them in social networks. This year's celebration of International Women's Day celebrates and pays tribute to women who are fighting for the advancement of transformative technologies and access to digital education. Under the theme, Digital, Innovation and Technology for Gender Equality, it calls for the inclusion of women and traditionally marginalized groups in education and technology to promote equality. On Tuesday, March 7, 2023, during the ordinary session of the cardinals and bishops who are members of the Dicastery for the Causes of Saints, a positive opinion was unanimously given regarding the heroic exercise of virtues, the reputation of holiness and signs of the servant of God, Carlo Crespi Crocchi, 1891 to 1982, professed priest of the Society of St. Francis de Sales, missionary in Ecuador. In said session, not only was the doubt about the heroic exercise of virtues by the servant of God, but also the whole process of the cause and the ecclesial importance of the cause itself was submitted to the examination of the members. Now the Cardinal Prefect, Marcello Semeraro, will submit for the approval of the Supreme Pontiff the conclusions of the ordinary session with a request to confirm the opinion expressed by the Cardinals and Bishops members of the Dicastery in view of the promulgation of the decree of venerability of the servant of God, Carlo Crespi. We publish Pope Francis' preface to the volume More Women's Leadership for a Better World, Caring as the Engine for a Common Home, edited by Anna Maria Tarantola, published by Vita e Pensiero. The text is the result of joint research of the Centissimus Annus Pro Pontifice Foundation and the Strategic Alliance of Catholic Research Universities, SACRU. Pope Francis writes, "This book is about women, about their talents, their abilities and skills, as well as the inequalities, violence and prejudices that still characterize the female world. Women's issues are particularly important to me. I have referred to them in many of my speeches, emphasizing how much still must be done to fully empower women. Among other things, I have stated that man and woman are not equal. One is not superior to the other. No. It is just that man does not bring harmony. It is she who brings that harmony that teaches us to caress, to love tenderly, and who makes of the world something beautiful. This book collects the result of the joint research promoted by the Centissimus Annus Pro Pontifice Foundation and the Strategic Alliance of Catholic Research Universities, to which 15 academics and 10 universities in 8 countries offered their contribution, each in his or her field of study." More than 2,000 children and young people participated in the meetings of the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM), organized by the Salesian province of Triventino, INE, on February 26th and March 5th. 2 Sundays full of fun and attractive educational proposal that was able to touch the hearts of the young people who participated and who became protagonists in the course of the events. On Sunday, March 5th, it was the turn of the meeting dedicated to the children between the ages of 11 and 14, entitled Direction Heaven. Through an exciting show, they were able to listen to the encounter between Michael Magon and Don Bosco and reflect on the importance of having dreams to fulfill with the help of God and wise adults who accompany them. A Sunday full of fun and games in which about 1,400 of them participated. The Salesian Youth Ministry of the St. Luke, province of Venezuela, VEN, continues to nurture a proposal rich in gradual and systematic processes addressed to young people. During this liturgical season of Lent, it has continued to develop the Salesian missionary disciples' missal itinerary, which year after year is strengthened in the VEN province from the Salesian missionary dimension. The motto, "Like Mary, arise, let us go and serve," has been a great inspiration for the young people who, following Mary's example, rise up and become credible witnesses for other young people who are eagerly seeking Jesus. The Salesians of Venezuela continue to work week after week together with lay people and youth leaders in the service of some 1,400 boys and girls across the nation. Their goal is to make young people dreamers like Don Bosco and protagonists of a better Venezuela. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.